What's going on, y'all? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. So I had somebody was asking me about hose reels, and do you run everything through the hose reel? Do you not? Do you run jumpers? Do you have remote mounting blocks? And we don't have the remote mounting blocks, and that is a really great way to just kind of clean up the overall appearance of it. But what we do is we've got multiple machines on here, but we have one pressure reel. We've got our water reel, pressure reel, soap reel. So on our pressure reel, we've got back here, let's see, we've got just a little jumper hose that comes out to here. And then we've got this jumper hose that connects to the hose reel up here. So if we need to, we can run water through this entire hose reel, through all 500 or so feet of hose. And that's fine. That's going to be if we've got a spot that we just need to rinse off something real quick. If we're doing like one of our random acts of cleaning kindness, that's how we'll do that. Otherwise, what we'll do is we'll pull up to a house and we'll say, okay, based off where we're parked, based off the size of the house, 200 feet is going to be plenty of hose. Pull 200 feet, we're ready to go. Show you this other one. We've got our water dragon here. This one does not have anything else, so we will literally just come back here, plug into that, and I'll show you the box truck over here. So box truck, we got an even bigger hose reel. This one we can put about 700 feet of 3/8 inch high pressure hose. If it's done right, we can get almost 800 on it. Same thing, we've got our cup hose. Now this, for whatever reason, is all the way disconnected from our unloader that's way back there. But normally that's connected, and we'll just take the hose off, plug it in right here. If we need to run water through the hose, again, we've got this jumper coming from our swivel over here, comes through to there. And then right here, we've got our other jumper hose. This one actually goes to our hot water unit. That way we'll have to get up on there to turn it on, but we don't have to get up there to connect the hose. Now, if you want to do this with a remote mounting block, you can do that just like you would put with your unloader block. You can literally just, on here, we could have mounted it right here. So the water would come in, you'd have your connection and coming out. Some people will put ball valves so they can just disconnect it right there if they need to. Shut your machine off, close the ball valve, and then you've lost that pressure in there that's going to stop you from unplugging it. But that's just a way to be a little bit more efficient with it, and also not have to have two pressure reels, not run through your swivels as much, especially if you're downstreaming, running bleach through your swivels. That $50 or $60 a pop can add up over a year. Also, having less hose that's sitting with bleach in it the whole time. I mean, if you've got a hose reel with 700 feet, or even if you've got a smaller hose reel. I know I say smaller. Those, I think, are 22s. Just on this one, again, this is the one that we did the downstreaming on the other day. So we've got our pressure hose, and we've got our supply hose there. I think we had some smaller hose reels, but not much smaller. But when we had the 18-inch ones, same thing. You can just pull the hose off of there and hook it to a jumper. So anyways, I hope that helps, guys. Have a great day, and wash